Yo everyone, today we're talking about how to get free diamonds in Chamet. As you can see, I've already installed Chamet++ and it's modded version of the origin application who allowed you to generate free diamonds for your Chamet account. It's work for Android or iOS device. Okay, how it works is very simple. Enter amount of diamonds as you want, so I enter this number. The next step is press generate, and now as you can see everything is generated. Wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, every diamonds will be generated for our Chamet account. Okay, it's already open our account. Wait maybe 1 minute and boom, look of this, look of my balance. Now I have unlimited diamonds in Chamet. So this Chamet++ application is already works in 2023 for Android or iOS device. As you can see, everything is work. So how to get Chamet++ for Android or iOS device? It's so simple. Open browser, follow me, type this or scroll down, type this the Chamet++. Okay, the last step is press install. Wait to finish this process. The last step is easy human verification is required. Follow all instructions. After complete every step for your Android or iOS device, Chamet++ will be installed. Enjoy and thank you for watching.